Hello everybody, today is Wednesday, September 6th. It's 4:08 p.m. Eastern Time. The futures markets just closed 8 minutes ago. On my left is the time and sales for the Emini SP, currently trading at 2464.75 by 65. Quite a day for the auto trader today. Again, the DAX. I mean, what can I say? This is just absolutely crazy, mind-blowing, the number of winning days on the DAX hitting its goal since its inception, really, but especially in the last 2 months, it's just been on a tear. So the DAX hitting its goal today, a small loser to start, just a couple of ticks there, and then a single long trade resulted in hitting its goal. And you can see on the equity curve that this loser was only a tick or two. And then it was straight up from there, took our first contract off, and then had a tick or so of slippage, really only one tick on the reversal. So the DAX continuing to astound. Okay, next up is the DAX Mini doing 710 for the day, starting trading through the London session all the way till about 2 a.m. Obviously here, had we not got stopped out, this would have been a huge trade. So perhaps I may loosen the trailing stops on this. But that same tight trailing stop also got us out early on this trade here, which would have been a loser had we not had tight trailing stops. But in any case, 710 on the mini DAX is quite good. Okay, next up is the Emini SP on just a regular 2 Renko chart with a higher time frame, and this a little bit of a drawdown, not much, just a tick or two, and came back to do 400 on the plus side of the ledger. That's pretty good for a 2 Renko chart, trading only 2 contracts. Okay, a single trade on the Emini SP on the Super Renko 6 tick did 375 for the day on 2 contracts. Very, very good. Okay, the bonds had a single short trade here at only did 250. I was watching this when it was down here before it turned, and this had an equity high of almost $500 or $600, but nevertheless still on the plus side of the ledger. A modest gain on the Emini SP Super Renko 2 tick with a higher time frame. Kind of a mixed bag of trades, drew down about $300, but then recovered with this nice long trade, getting at the top of the range, almost at the high of the day. And that was probably due to, I'm going to say, a fixed target perhaps. Well, probably trailing by 0 bars after 32 ticks. That's probably what happened here. Anyway, this did 175 for the day. Modest gain, but still on the plus side of the ledger. Number of other charts had relatively small gains of less than $100. Not going to bother with that. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit us at bluewavetrading.com or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.